Are you one of those people who just can't seem to find the time to get a workout in throughout your day? You had a long day at work, long day at home, kids kept you busy, laundry, dishes, just so much going on that you just let that workout slip by. If you're one of those people, stick around to find out how you can incorporate workouts in with your cleaning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sammy. I'm a 31-year-old stay-at-home mom on a weight loss journey to lose 50 pounds. And before I even go any further, I'm going to start the video right here with this warm-up and let y'all know that warm-up is very, very important. This is not just a cleaning video. We will be exercising. Make sure you get your warm-up in. But like I was saying, on my channel, you will find workout routines, you're going to find weigh-ins and transformations, you're going to find recipes and what I eat in a day, and you're going to also find health talks. So if any of that interests you, please check out other videos, hit that red subscribe button along with the bell so every time I post a new video you could be notified. And I also have an Instagram and a Facebook page y'all could follow. You will find the links in the About Me section. And on to today's video. I am going to be showing you guys a couple exercise techniques that you can use while you wash your dishes, while you scrub your counters, scrub your table, take the trash out. There are ways that you can incorporate exercise into your daily life. And I'm so sorry, you guys, about all the laughing and the smiles in this video, but if you try these with me, you will feel it too. Like, I felt completely just embarrassed doing these, especially showing all you guys, but they are good exercises. Like doing lunges in my kitchen, I actually felt like I was creeping around my kitchen. But let's get into it and I'll show you guys a couple of these exercises that I'm talking about. But first, I'm going to show you guys the mess that my kitchen is, that I'm going to be cleaning. I've been trying to keep up with my kitchen, but look at these dishes. Look, I even have a couple little randoms over here on this side. But these dishes are ridiculous. Like, who really goes through that overnight? I have dirty rags from trying, I guess, to wipe everything down and keep up with it. Look, I even have trash on the floor. Where'd those batteries come from? Trash overflowing. I don't even know what to do with that. Please comment below any suggestions you might have for that shoe rack. And my table honestly wasn't too bad. Just picking a couple things up and wiping it down. And then we move on to my coffee area, which usually is way worse. I just had to wipe that down. But let's get on to this exercise and I'm going to show y'all some of them embarrassing moves I was telling y'all about. Y'all have a good time. Enjoy this video.
Beyond the shores, there is something more, just waiting for you and me. I see that you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core. I can give to you everything you need. We can live on the water. Oh, there's something right about tonight. I come alive inside your eyes. Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores,
you guys, here are the creeper lunges. I felt so crazy.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No. Never look back. Never look back. No.
I always seem to find water bottles all around the house. I'm surprised to only find 3 of them on the table today. So I'll be the one. I'll put them back in the fridge for everybody so they have cold water. Do you always seem to find water bottles just laying around your house, or is it just mine? And if you're not getting that workout that you wanted, you can always stop for 10 seconds and just get a little bit more. While you sweep, you can squat. While you sweep, to move along, you kind of do like a crab squat while you go with it. That's what I call it, a crab squat. And another option is you can stand on your tippy toes. hope you guys enjoyed this video because we're all done. So this is my kitchen after. We did a lot of dishes. We were standing at that sink for a minute. I also took out some of this taco seasoned ground turkey, and I'm gonna be doing tacos for dinner. Ground turkey burritos, really. We had a couple dishes left over that I had to soak, and a couple I found while I was cleaning. I wiped all those the countertops. Still didn't figure out what to do with them shoes, so any help, y'all please comment below. My table's organized. I gotta keep drinks on the table for the kids so they're not in and out my fridge all day. Hit that subscribe button if you like this channel. Watch this other video, it's my latest upload. And come back next time and shape up with Sammy.